I'm going to educate you on which Pokemon we're going to draw next. And by Pokemon, I mean Alien from Ben 10 Alien Force. Tonight we're going to draw Brainstorm. This guy is a local classic for the Ben 10 Alien Force series, and one of my favorites from the Ben 10 series as well. I used to have an action figure as well, the one that lights up and glows. Anyways, drawing Brainstorm is kind of easy. First, you must start with the eyes, then the teeth, then you draw the rest of him. There we go. Now we draw the claws. Now we draw the Omnitrix on his belt. He looks a lot different than the one from Ben 10 Omniverse. Well, this form is completely how I remember him. Now we draw the brain dome on his forehead. Build this scale. Now here's Brainstorm's spider legs. The first time that Ben transformed into Brainstorm was against Chip when he was supposed to transform into Jet Ray. When he found out about this insect, about this crustacean with a highly advanced intellect and the power for brains, power for intelligence, that's something you don't see every day. Very interesting indeed. Anyway, that's how you draw a Brainstorm. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Bye. And good night to you as well.